Hello everybody and welcome to our FbCadCam tutorial. Today I'm going to show you how to use the FbCadCam application using the block tool. So the block tool is very important, one of the very important tools in FbCadCam. So if you use this tool, just also enable the draw lines in the snap tools, snap to endpoint. So let's say I want to create this 40. So I want to create an object 40 by 40. If you want to use the block tool, just after you create an object called box, so disable this, then go to the block tool, then highlight your object called box, then create a block. So I want to create a block name called box, then click save. So as you can see, it selected all of my lines. Instead of selecting each by each line, it also selected whole of my object, and it selected also the lines. For example, if I selected it, it also highlights it completely. If I want to disable this, I want just click this explode block, then it also select it each by each again, so that it backs to normal, so that it's back to normal. So if you want to insert a block, then click the insert block, then box, then select the box, then click the insert button. Then it copies you a clone of your object. So to create a Microsoft Windows logo, so to highlight it again, then insert block, choose the two block, insert block. Then once you've done that, then click left click button to finish it. Then as you can see, it creates a Microsoft Windows logo. So it looks like that. If I want to change this block, just go to the edit block, create a block, then save it. Then I want to edit it and edit this block. So as you can see, I want to edit this block. I want to change it to 300, for example, and I want to change it to 300, for example. If I selected it, so it changes to 300 of my length of this line. So when I click save, so if I want to insert a block again, then insert. As you can see, my clone block is also edited here, the length of 300 also. So if you want to change back, then edit this block 0, then I want to back it to 200, for example. Then when I click done, then click save, then it also saves the other object that you create. So it's amazing. So that's the purpose of the block. So it also changes when you copy, it also changes your clone, and it also changes here the length of 300 to 200. I think that's the purpose of the block tool. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Leave a like, share, and subscribe to this YouTube channel, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.